Here's how to make K-pop beats for aespa on FL Studio. Let's jump straight in. Like any aespa track, the most important element is the bass. So we need a super aggressive saw bass. So I decided to take the Anomaly Moog bass inside of my plugin Grain X4. We're then going to change the tempo to 115 BPM. This is where most of aespa's tracks sit. Well, the tracks in this kind of style. We've got a really simple bass pattern here. These are the 3 notes it's going to play. We can then slide up and down octaves while using the same notes. Here's how this pattern sounds before adding any effects. Now we can open our channel rack and we can send this to a mixer track. In this case, slot 11. This is where we're going to add the effects and it's going to get a little crazy. We're going to add a thermal, which is a distortion plugin, and some reverb. Most people say you shouldn't add reverb to basses. It's fine as long as you increase the low cut. In this case, I'm cutting this at 600 Hz, completely eliminating the bass frequencies from the reverb. Here's how this now sounds with effects. You can hear this sounds way more like a spicy type of bass. I then decided to add another thermal where we've taken the resonant dread effect, but we're going to right click on the mix level and create an automation clip. We've then also added a limiter, which we're simply using just to control the volume, where we can right click on the gain and create another automation clip and add in this automation clip here. Here's how this changes the bass sound. Essentially, this allows us to change to bass stabs on the second half of the hook section, allowing for way more room for the vocals. Now we want some kind of ambient pattern to sit in the background. We could add a really simple melody just like this. But that's a little boring on its own. So again, let's open up the channel rack and let's send this to a mixer track, where we can add another thermal preset, giving us this. We can now right click up here and we can render this as an audio clip. We can then drag this pattern into the playlist and we can start chopping it up to control exactly how we want this to sound. Again, we can also automate the volume like we've done here to have as much control as possible. Now it's time for our drums. This is where it gets really interesting. We have this kick, snare, open and closed hat pattern. This actually isn't too crazy and there's not too much going on here. Here's what the kick looks like. It's got like a club bounce to it. Then we've got a snare that simply hits on the 2nd and 4th beats. Then a simple open hat. And a closed hat pattern, which has the occasional low roll. We then want to add some percussion elements. Again, pretty simple, but I decided to add this vocal chant, but process it with some thermal again. Then render this as an audio clip and chop this up. And finally, I dragged this noise effects sound into the playlist and chopped this up and added a fade out to all of these, slowly lowering the volume over time with an automation clip, which gave me this sound for all of my drums combined. This isn't completely necessary, but I find for a lot of aespa's beats, they get really creative with some of the different sounds. Again, specifically on tracks like Spicy, for example. I then decided for the intro that I wanted to add an automation to fade in the bassline. So we have a fruity parametric EQ2, where we selected the 20 Hz to 18 kHz cut preset, and then automated the frequency of this low pass filter by right clicking on the frequency here and creating an automation clip. We then slowly open this towards the drop, which gives it this underwater sound. And that is how you make an aespa beat from scratch on FL Studio. Here's how the final track sounds. Oh, and by the way, all of the drum sounds were from my Listen Up drum kit, specifically from the K-pop section. That is linked in the description if you want to check this out. By the way, if you want access to Grain X4, which I use for most of the sounds in this video, then make sure to check out the link in the description where it's currently 70% off.